So welcome back. After creating the various ad groups, now we are entering to the last phase of our campaign designing. And this phase is about designing various ads for your campaign. So here we will design various forms of text ads that you can use for your campaign. So let us start. Once you will create ad groups, you will be prompted to this page to create ads. Here under each ad group, we have to create ads. You can create a single ad under each ad group, or you can create more than one ad in each group. But make sure your ads are not much different from each other. You can slightly change the headline or some words in different ads. That way, you can easily compare the performance of multiple ads in a given ad group. Now whatever I will write here, that will be visible in our text ads. And on the right hand side, you can see the preview of that ad. First, we have the final URL. This is the actual URL of your landing page or a website. No matter how long it is, you have to give it here. Next, we have the first headline of your ad. Make it simple and catchy. This is the first thing when user will decide should he click on ad or not. Another important thing, you can use only 30 characters to write your first headline, so be simple and short. Then we have the headline 2. Again write something important here with respect to your offer or product. Earlier there were only 2 headlines in the text ads, but Google has recently introduced the third headline as well. Next we have the display URL. Now what is this? If you have very long URL, they will not be visible in ads. So here you can create the dummy URL just for the purpose of showing it. You can add part 1 and part 2 to use any random words related to your ad here, because it's a dummy URL and it is used for only displaying purpose. Now look here in the preview section. You have the first headline separated by pipe with the second headline. This is our display URL. Next you have to give the brief description of your product or the offer. Again here you can give the description, and each description is limited up to 90 characters. Let me give the description of my ad. Just see, our description is added. Further, our site link and callout extensions are also already available in the ads, as we set them in the previous phase along with the telephone number. You can also see how our ad will look in desktop. You can make highlight on or off. To save the ad, click on Done. See here, under our first ad group, one ad has been created. If you want to create a new ad under the same group, just click on New Ad. Make some changes here and your ad will be created. If you want to use the content of previous ad, just copy it and make some changes. Same way, you can create more ads under other groups. Save and continue. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Once again, recheck your settings and click Continue to Campaign. So with this, your ad will be submitted to the Google for preview purpose. So with this, we have designed our first search campaign. I will advise you that to explore more features of search campaigns by trying the different combinations of audience and the bidding strategies. So it will surely boost up your confidence to design more search campaigns. So thank you so much.